morning guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to be doing a pack with me video. We're going to Florida for a week for Christmas. I just did a quick little makeup look because I'm going to get my lashes done later today, so I want to be able to wash my face. But yeah, we're going to head to Starbucks and I'm going to show you guys my Notion that I made for packing and all those things, and then we'll head to Target to pick up some toiletries and head home and get packing. And then after packing, I do want to kind of reset the house so that when we come home it's not a wreck. But yeah, let's go to Starbucks. Alright, we made it to Starbucks. I just got an iced chai tea latte and some egg pie. Alrighty guys, so I did show you guys this when I was actually at Starbucks that day. It's a few weeks later, but as I was looking over the footage, I realized that the surround sound was just a little bit too much and distracting. There were lots of people coming in and out and blenders going, so I figured I would just do this portion now and it would be a lot better. So here is my home page. Right over here is our Pensacola Christmas diary. So up here, I just have a few links to things that were related to our vacation. And then here is checked bag number 1. I had a full list of the outfits that I was planning on wearing, and then I broke them all down in this next section. And of course there's shoes and bags and my skincare stuff and some makeup and hair. And then I didn't know what EJ was bringing, so his is empty. And then next is check bag number 2. This had all of our Christmas gifts. It was a pretty light Christmas, so there's not a ton of gifts in here, but my sister and I were both having babies. My parents and EJ and I are planning to move, so everybody was just kind of tight on money, and we were all pretty okay with keeping it light. So over here, this was my personal item, the one that was with me on the flight, and so I obviously had these essentials. I didn't actually end up bringing this stuff with me in my personal item, just because my comb and my teasing comb, they're kind of sharp and I didn't want them to think I had weapons on me, so I just ended up throwing that back into one of the suitcases. And then for tech, I didn't end up bringing my switch, but yeah, I had all of the other stuff. And then I had a house checklist because I wanted to do cleaning and organizing before we left, but I was really tired. By the end of this video, you'll see, I'll talk about it, but if you didn't know, I'm pregnant and my sciatica kind of kicks in when I am overly active, so yeah, my back just it wasn't gonna let me. Next is the shopping checklist. I just had a few things in here that if I needed them, I could get. If not, then yeah. And then next was our schedule. I did fill this in and I did write kind of like a little summary of what happened each day. It reminds me, if I ever look back at it, what we did and the mood that was going on, where it is if I want to go again. Just things like that. And then there were other fun things to do, just a list, and then a map of where we were staying. I didn't put any photos in yet, but this is where they will go. But yeah, so that is my Pensacola Christmas diary. So we're just chilling in Starbucks until we go to Target, drinking iced chai tea lattes and egg bites, or eating egg bites, and then just chilling for a little bit. Alright, so we are back home. I am going to do a quick little haul, show you guys everything that I got. Okay, so I feel like I got a lot of good toiletry stuff. So the first one is the hydrating facial cleanser from CeraVe. I use this one in the morning. And then I got a travel size hairspray, travel size moisturizing cream. I use this morning and night. Then I got a travel size dry shampoo, and then I got the smaller size. There's two sizes at Target at least of the Nizoral anti-dandruff shampoo. This one keeps my scalp nice and clean and clear of dandruff and all that stuff. Okay, and then the last thing is a loofah. I typically don't use a loofah, but since we're just going there for 5 days, I figured I could use a loofah and then just toss it when I'm done. Okay, so I am ready to start packing, I guess. So let's go pack. Just kidding, I forgot that I actually need to wash the bedding, so I'm gonna do that first and then we will get to packing. And yeah, don't mind all of the baby things over there. I have a towel over it so it doesn't get dusty, and then I also have some stuff inside. But yeah, that's where I'm kind of storing all of the baby stuff right now because we don't really have a lot of space. I like to put my toiletries in this type of bag. You can just get it off Amazon because it just has like a bunch of things and it can fold up into one little bag and everything's where you need it to be. I finished with the toiletries bag and my makeup, but I need to head out for my lash appointment soon, so I'm just going to wash my face and then head out. Alright guys, my lashes are all done. It's time for me to head home and finish up packing. But yeah, let's go home. Next, I put most of the stuff here last night that I know I'm going to wear, and now I'm just going to move them all to the bed and try to group them in a way that makes sense. Alright, so I pretty much have everything I think that I need. So over here we have undergarments, we have the toiletries and makeup, hair. Here are the bags and shoes I'm taking. These 3 sets are all the same thing, the black, green, and gray. I love these sets. They are so comfy cozy, but because they are knit and we're going to be in a cold area, I am taking this pile of leggings, which are all just going to be worn underneath because the wind is going to get through those for sure. And then this pile of leggings, those will just be worn as the bottoms. And then I have my bodysuit and a few sweaters and some pajamas. So now I just need to get all of that into our suitcase. This is all of EJ's stuff, so I'm going to need to reorganize and try to get everything to fit. Plans. These knit things are just taking up so much space because there's so much air in them, but I need more space. So I'm going to do some vacuum sealing. I have this little thing you just vacuum seal. Change of plans again. These guys, I couldn't find the thing to seal it, So I sealed it with my fingers, which hurt and took a lot of time. But this one has a leak in it somewhere because it's completely sealed, but when I vacuumed it, I could hear it. I could hear the air coming in like somewhere over there. And then this one behind me, the air wasn't even like leaving. So I just pulled out this second large suitcase, which is so annoying. I just wanted to get everything in here and then all the presents in there, but whatever. So I think this one will be for me. It's just gonna be all my stuff, and then EJ's stuff can go in there with the presents. These were the pieces that I needed to airlock this, or to zip it up. So it's really annoying that I just found them because I was searching. I was so frustrated, but I don't think those were going to work anyway because there were still some air leaks, but I'm just stopping for a snack break because I almost lost my mind for a minute, and EJ's behind the camera. He's doing whatever he wants. Anyway, snack break. Okay, so I pulled together everything that I want in my carry-on or my personal items, so I'm going to go through everything that's in here. First, we have a mini toiletry bag. This just has some tissues, some lotion, and some just like essential items. And then I moved my hair stuff to this bag just in case I need anything for my hair. If I need to fix anything or change hairstyles or whatever, I just put that in here. And then I have my hairbrush that doesn't fit in the bag, but I wanted it with me. I have my laptop charger, a little pill case that has all of our essential pills when we're on the go. I have my wallet, and then this little pouch holds all of my chargers and things. I also have my external hard drive and my camera batteries, and I have my iPad, my laptop, my handheld tripod, also like camera remote, my water bottle, which will be empty when we get to the airport. I have a little mini phone stand that kind of folds away like that, and some Q-tips. Alrighty, you guys, I am pretty tired. I've been moving in on my feet all day pretty much, and my back hurts a lot, so I didn't get to any of the cleaning, no counters or vacuuming or anything like that, which sucks, but I'll just do a reset when I come home. And honestly, things are not really super messy or dirty or anything like that, so it's not really that big of a deal. But yeah, so I'm going to stop the video right here, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!